Hello students, now we are going to discuss about periodic properties. In previous videos we discussed about more elaborated about the periodic table and periods, groups. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about periodic properties and what is periodic properties and how it will be vary in groups and periods. Now what is mean by periodicity? Periodicity means regular appear at regular intervals. Periodicity means appear at regular intervals. Here what is the definition of periodic means? It appear at regular intervals. That means what are the physical and chemical properties observed in first element in a group, it will be repeated at next element, which are called periodic properties. What are the periodic properties appear? Means there are mainly 5 periodic properties are there. First one, atomic radius. Atomic radius. Okay. Atomic radius. Atomic radius means the distance between nucleus of an atom to its outermost shell is called atomic radius. Once again, the distance between nucleus of an atom to its outermost shell is called atomic radius. Atomic radius here, for example, see, imagine this is an atom. Okay, every atom has a nucleus at the center. Every atom has a nucleus at the center. This nucleus is made up of positive protons and neutral neutrons. Electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Okay. Electrons are revolving around the nucleus in a circular path which are called orbits. Okay. Here this is an atom. Here nucleus is at the center. It is made up of positive protons and neutral neutrons. Negative spaces, that are electrons, are revolving around the nucleus in a circular path which are called orbits. Here what is mean by atomic radius means the distance between nucleus to outermost shell. Nucleus of an atom to its outermost shell or valency shell is known as atomic radius. Okay. Once again, atomic radius means the distance between nucleus of an atom to its outermost shell or valency shell is known as atomic radius. Here atomic radius, how it will be changed in groups and periods. These are the very important. You must define the term which is given in the examination and how it will be changed in the groups and periods. You must write it or explain. Okay. In first take in groups. In groups, what will happen? Atomic radius in groups. What is mean by groups? Groups means when we move from top to bottom in a vertical column which are called groups. Okay, the vertical columns in the periodic table are called groups. In groups, when we move from top to bottom, the atomic radius will be increased. Atomic radius will be increased because atomic size will be increased. When we move from top to bottom in a group, the atomic size will be increased. How it will be increased means, take a first A group elements. What are internal structure of first A group elements? What are the first A group elements? Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. These are the first A group elements. In that, what is the structure here? Only one outermost shell, only one shell is present around the nucleus in the structure of hydrogen. Here when we observe the lithium, here 2 shells are present around the nucleus. Okay. Here next to sodium, here 3 shells are present around the nucleus. Okay. Around the nucleus 3 shells are present. Here when we observe the potassium, here 4 shells are present around the nucleus. So what do you observe in the structures means, when we move from top to bottom in a group, the size of the atom will be increasing. Size of the atom will be increasing means the distance between nucleus to outermost shell increasing. Yes or no? nucleus to outermost shell increasing, the size of the atom will be increasing, atomic radius also increases. Okay, these are the atomic in groups, atomic radius will be increased. And next, how it will be, atomic radius will be change in periods. In periods means when we move from left side to right side in a periodic table, which are called periods. The horizontal rows in periodic table are called periods. Here, when we move from left side to right side in the periods, the atomic radius will be decreased, because the atomic size will be decreased. Atomic size will be decreased. For example, take second year group elements, that are second period elements: lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Okay, here lithium structure will be like this. Okay, here beryllium structure will be like this. Okay, boron structure. Next, carbon. Okay, in this every element will be existing as a same shell. When you observe the outermost shell, in lithium outermost shell only single electron is present. Here like this. In beryllium 2 electrons are present in outermost shell. In boron 3 outermost shell electrons are present. In carbon 4 outermost electrons are present like this. That means here the next electron which is entering is presenting in the same subshell. That's why here lithium has how many protons? This has only 3 protons. Here atomic number is always equal to how many protons and electrons present in a nucleus. So that's why here what is the atomic number of lithium? 3. Here also 3 protons are present. Here beryllium 4 protons are present in this nucleus. Here next boron 5 protons are present. That means here the first element which is present in first A group element, okay, which has 3 protons only. Here next one 4 protons, 5 protons, 6 protons. That when we observe the second period elements, that has the number of protons will be increasing. That means when number of protons will be increased in outermost shell, number of electrons are increasing in their outermost shell, and the number of protons will be increased in the nucleus. So that's why it will be, the attraction will be more, or it will be increased towards the nucleus. So that's why it decreases the size of the atom. So that's why atomic radius will be, atomic radius in periods, when we move from left side to right side in the periodic table, atomic radius will be decreased. Okay, once again, here when we observe the second period elements, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, in that next entering electron will be entering in same subshell. So that's why when number of protons are present in nucleus, when much number of protons are present in an atom, it will be increased or it will be pulled towards the nucleus. So that's why the size of the atom will be decreased. So atomic radius will be decreased. Okay.